I have to give the two input strings, and in return I want the concatenated string, means addition of the string. So in this program only we will do some changes and we will get that idea how the input will be. So problem statement will be create program to return addition of string. Okay, addition of strings. Same problem statement, just copy this program and run in the next cell. Okay, I am running here only, or see, okay, I will also run for you in the next cell. I will add some cells here. Okay, okay, in new cell we will start the program. See, okay, first input Parag, I will press the enter. Second input, suppose Suhas. Okay, then I press the enter. See, what is here got? Value error in the line number 5 6. Why? See, you should have to solve this kind of errors. Okay, so here error because in the 5th line and 6th line we have not typecasted the string, because we have input here string Parag and Suhas are the names, but we have typecasted here in I and J line as a int. So we have to cancel this typecasting. So we will remove this. Okay, because input function is returning us what? The string. So we will not need these lines of code. So I will comment down it. Okay, you can comment it so it will not read by the program. Okay, see, enter string again Parag, I press enter, then second string Suhas. Okay, and enter. See, oh, we got here again the problem, the sum 300, because in print statement we have not changed the our variables. The previous variables was I and J in the previous program, so it is taken here. We have to give here x plus y. Okay, see, now I will run again. See, Parag, Suhas. See, we got the sum Parag Suhas of the two strings. Okay, are you understanding? So you have to practice it line by line. Whenever there will be error, you should cross verify what kind of error is this and go ahead with solving the error. Okay, okay, so let's move to the some complicated part. Not that much complicated, bit of complications are there. Only you will need to read the lines again and again to understand. Okay, so see, this again we have used the print statement. Inside the print statement we have given the sum. Okay, this sum, it is came in the output, sum int of input, enter the first number. Okay, why this int of input? Because here we have done the typecasting directly before taking it into input. The same program this is, which we have created for the previous one. See, this program in one line only, you can see there. See here, we got the same in output in one line only here. So let's see how. This is our string instruction then this is comma. I will explain you also how this print function is working in the next session, where we will see the output in Python. Okay, so we will discuss this print, different kind of print statements, how many variables we can put inside this, and how to put. Okay, just now, for this moment, keep in mind that here we can use the comma separator to separate the data inputs. Okay, see, and in Python, you know that the spaces you can give in any number. There is not any restriction for the spaces. You can give any number of spaces, it does not matter. Okay, for reading the program. Okay, int of input, enter the number. Okay, our int function and input function is completed here. See, first parenthesis start for the int, it end here outside. Okay, and second input parenthesis start here and it ends here. Okay, yes. Now again plus and same int of input, second number of input. I will run this cell. See, now we will give the number. I will give first the 500, then enter, then I will give the 600, enter. So we got the 1100 as the sum. Okay, I hope you are getting very well. Then fine, we have to cover the eval function here also. So in this eval function, with our this multiple input function, we are going to cover this eval function. So how this eval function works? Eval function take a string and evaluate the result. Okay, this is the small function. For example, we have given x is equal to eval 10 plus 20 plus 30, suppose. See, eval function x is equal to eval 10 comma 20 comma 30. Okay, and we have print as 10 comma 20 comma 30 and print the x. So it will evaluate directly this value, whatever will be. Okay, you can add any numbers inside this. See, 60. Okay, suppose minus 20. See, 40. Okay, suppose plus 100, print 140. Okay, suppose minus 100. See, oh sorry, see, sorry, 100 and run now. So we got 40. Okay, in this way this eval function works. We will stop here and we will discuss the next part in next session. Okay, thank you, have a nice day, bye bye.